we have a very, very, very special surprise for the kids. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you excited? We're home! Pick this up. Did you have a fun day?
Yeah.
Time for the nighttime routine. Dude, you okay?
Yeah.
Are you happy to be home? How was school?
Good.
What are you going upstairs to do? Go play? Alright, go play for a little bit and I'll make your snack. Hi! How is your snack? Is it good? What is up, you guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I feel like we're always sharing our daytime adventures with you or crazy stuff that we have going on, but we never really just share a normal night in our life. So that is exactly what we're doing tonight, except at the end of this video, we have a very, very, very special surprise for the kids. Personally, I think they're gonna freak out. I think we're gonna freak out. I think everyone's gonna freak out. It's literally a dream come true. So we're gonna be telling our kids that right before bed tonight so that the whole family is together. Just to give you some context for what happened today, me, Presley, and Ledger spent our afternoon at the beach. Riker had school, Presley had school this morning, and then obviously I am a stay-at-home mom with baby Leggy, who is 1 year old. Derek was at work today, which he's kind of in and out of the office, but today he did have a full day at work. So we just got home. What I'm gonna do is make the kids a snack, and then I'm gonna do a quick house cleanup. And then I feel like after that, Derek will be home, and then we're gonna be getting into that nighttime routine. Hey, hold on. Was it yummy? We did a good snack? Hey, all done. We made a mess. Our baby does start getting kind of clingy around this time, so he's gonna help me with the dishes. Here, get this. What are you doing, silly? Here, hold on. Look. Get your stuff. Yeah. And then we gotta hurry. Okay. All right. What's wrong? What's wrong? We're gonna do the dishes later. Do you wanna go help Mama clean your room? Let's go. Okay, baby's room is done. We are now gonna just tidy up the living room, and then I think we're all done. I'm gonna get started on dinner after that. Number one thing that we do in the evenings, especially when the baby is upset or we're just trying to like relax and debrief, is go outside, because there's nothing more pretty than our Florida sunsets. I swear they're so gorgeous, especially if you're on the beach, but where we live, it's also very, very pretty. So we're gonna step outside for a second. There he is. He never hesitates. As soon as I open the doors, he is running outside. We're in the process of like cleaning up our lanai, and trying to get it like nice so that we can hang out here. But this is like our great grand tree that we love. This is where we watch our sunsets. It's so pretty. Are you stuck? There he is. Silly, okay? Hi. We've actually considered getting a pool put in so many times, but number one, I'm not very comfortable having young kids in a pool. It just doesn't mix. And we have a neighborhood pool, so we can always go swimming. And my parents live here, and they also have a pool. So it's not like top priority for me, although we got the renderings and it was so beautiful. And I just know it'd be such a vibe out there at night. But for now, we're just gonna fix up the patio with our furniture and just make it nice with our lights and music and just make it a nice little vibe without the pool. All right, the kids have just got down here and they're eating their snack.
What is this?
They're very hot. Just simply got these chicken nuggets from, I think, like Costco or something. Yeah. I did get the sink done. I got the dishes done. I need to clean the sink. Now that the kids are snacking, I'm actually gonna go ahead and start dinner. Derek's a little bit later tonight than usual, which kind of stinks, but no problem. Alexa, play country love music. We are doing some chicken breast, some white rice, and a couple bags of these frozen vegetables. I actually heard that frozen vegetables have more like nutrients than non-frozen vegetables. I don't know if that's true, but I always do these same bags. They have carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower, and the kids really like them if they're seasoned, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, with ranch.
Girlfriend, she's upset. Get your
Ledger. Hey, I need my veggies. Excuse me, sir. Hey, I need my veggies. Can I have them? Thank you. I need to go. This is what they do while I'm cooking dinner. Just play. Oh my gosh, be careful. Dada's here.
Come see me.
Everybody watch out.
Sorry, Dad. I told him that he just likes outside.
Oh,
Hey.
hi.
Aww. Y'all saw that I cleaned the living room earlier. Well, this is the living room now. Oh my God. Are you guys gonna clean this up?
No.
Welcome home.
What's going on?
This is the most coziest and coziest. We're making a cozy place. We can have cozy.
Looks like you're making a messy place.
We're making
Oh.
a cozy.
Ledger's loving it.
You're having fun, Ledge? You
And
having
we
fun?
can't
He's Mike right here.
Ah!
Oh.
Oh gosh, it's giving me a heart attack.
Ah.
Oh my God! You can't roll around. You can't be
Ledger, are you hungry?
Ready to eat?
Yeah, I got cherry. You have to share it. You have to share the cherry one.
Oh my gosh, already going for
Digging
it.
in.
I put the box in
I cooked it different this time. Cooked it extra better.
Extra better.
I don't like black
See.
broccoli.
Black broccoli, not broccoli.
We are doing something that we normally don't do
Due to Ashley's cravings.
in our night routine. Yeah, I have a craving, okay? And I saw this ad on Dairy Queen the other day for an Oreo Cookie Crunch Blizzard, Oreo Cookie Crunch Sundae, or it's like a parfait or a cone, and they look so good.
Had to
I
have
have to have it, and I convinced Derek to take us there. He said he's not getting anything.
Let's roll!
I don't know about
We gotta
that.
go.
Derek, you look like an Oreo Cookie Crunch.
Oreo cookie crunch. Oreo cookie crunch.
Daddy, stop. Stop it. And this is the white stuff.
You're right.
All right, fam, let's go. This Dairy Queen is kind of far away from us.
You don't think it's gonna be cold?
No, it's
He's
not cold
running.
out here.
He's running. He's never ran so fast in his life.
It's raining and this Dairy Queen's 20 minutes away, which kind of sucks.
You have the key?
I think they're in the car.
Not rain.
Oh,
It just feels like it is.
okay. This is totally gonna be worth it. I'm so excited.
Get in your seat and
It's okay. We let the kids unbuckle.
You said.
Because we're getting our blizzards we just ordered. We're gonna pull over and we're gonna try these things. I am so excited. Riker and I got the parfaits. Presley got a blizzard.
That isn't better than those.
Oh, you think?
Blizzard.
She's gonna want your parfait.
No, I'm not sharing with nobody.
If you don't share,
I'll have a bite.
you will get a punishment.
A punishment?
From him.
Oh,
Hey, you guys know about the dad tax, right?
Yeah.
what's the
Okay.
dad tax?
Dad's taking the tax from all
Well, good
three
thing you're
of
not
you.
my dad.
I am your dad.
He can have one.
You call me daddy.
Oh my gosh.
But your blizzard is coming.
Thank you. You too.
This blizzard's not.
That's yours. That looks so good. Look, it's blue.
Out of yours.
Yes, I'll let you have a
I
bite.
have a blizzard of yours. Everybody wants mine.
This is good.
Try Sissy's blizzard.
Come on, let me give her a bite.
I think Sissy's is better than yours.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe since you call it a blizzard.
Sissy's is good because each bite's a little crunchy.
Okay.
What are you doing? Stealing the best bite. Stop messing with it. I like to eat it a certain way.
I'm eating it the right way.
Now I feel bad for you.
me
You're
have-
eating sad.
We already had that.
I want a little piece of yours.
Why?
Let me see it.
It's the same thing.
Give it to me.
It's the same thing.
Give it to me.
It's record. Let your father have a bite. He paid
It's
for
the
it.
same thing.
Gotta make sure it tastes the same.
Either give me a bite or give me the whole thing.
Fine. Don't dig in it.
I'm not gonna dig. I just told you I wanted a chip.
Hi. Did you have a good car nap while we got ice cream? We're now gonna get ready for bed. We traded our workout for ice cream tonight, which we literally never do. But
Not me. I'm gonna work out tonight.
oh yeah, Derek's gonna go work out. He works out when we're all sleeping. We need to do showers, skincare, brush our teeth, and then meet us when mommy got in bed. You ready? We need your opinion. We need your help.
We need your help.
Tell us where you want to go. Hold on. These are the options. Welcome to Mahogany Bay.
Aruba, Jamaica.
You'll feel like you won the island lottery.
Yeah.
Silky sand beaches
Beautiful sand.
and diamond clear seas. The island of Rotan is one of Caribbean's hidden gems.
It's a hidden one.
Okay?
What do you guys think?
Mahogany Bay.
Surfers.
Shopping.
Pictures.
Snorkeling.
Swimming.
Yay! Okay, Mahogany Bay. Next. Welcome to Belize. There's plenty of reasons why you should come to Belize.
Belize.
A tropical paradise that promises adventure, both onshore and offshore. You better believe it.
Belize it.
Crystalline rivers flow through impressive jungles. We could go in a little hut. We could see a turtle, or we could go and tour the Mayan areas. You can tour it. The real Mayan villages.
This is old. This is like thousands of years old. They built that.
What's a lion?
It's a type of person.
Whoa.
Yeah. Okay, next. Last choice. Welcome to Cozumel.
This will work.
Cozumel is proof that Mexico can do island flavor.
It's
with
proof.
the best of the Caribbean.
That's
It
right.
might not be the biggest island in the sea, but
Not
it has
the
a
biggest.
lot of things to do. See, taste, and explore.
Yeah.
Snorkeling, shopping, cool pictures.
Picture. One picture. What do you guys think?
Well, which do you choose? Nope, pick one. Mahogany
Let's go
Bay,
back. Let's go back.
Belize, or Cozumel. Mahogany Bay, Belize, Cozumel. Which one?
Wait, what was the second one?
Mahogany Bay, Belize, or Cozumel?
Belize.
Come on, pick one.
Is there scuba diving there?
There, yeah,
What's this
They
one?
all have scuba diving?
yeah.
Okay. Dang it.
Come on, pick one.
What's the first one called?
Mahogany Bay,
Oh, you're already there.
Mahogany Bay, Belize, Cozumel.
I'm really good at this.
Okay, which one?
But I don't have good things to get between, so.
Okay, we would go to
Belize.
That's a good choice.
How about all three of them? Kids, get ready for the trip of your dreams. We're going on a 7-day Western Caribbean cruise, and we're gonna visit all three 3 places, a full day in Mahogany Bay, Belize, and Cozumel. What do you think? Look at the cruise, look at the pictures, that's gonna be us!
What do you guys think? Go get all 3?
Oh my God. There's slides on our boat. This is our boat. That's it too.
Huge boat.
You can do that in the middle of the ocean.
We're climbing.
Look at
Look at
all
all
the other stuff.
There's
fun
games.
and games and fun stuff.
This is the inside of the ship. This is also the pools in the ship.
Oh my God.
Are you excited?
Look at the roof.
This is our roof. Let me see you do this.
What do you guys think?
Yeah.
Come on, sis.
Are you excited? Yes! We're so proud of all your hard work in sports, at school, at home. Thank you for being amazing kids.
Love this kid. Love this kid.
You deserve this. You
Love
deserve
this
this.
kid.
You deserve this. You deserve this. All right, the boys are reviewing all the stuff about the ship. We are so excited. Presley actually didn't even think that we were being serious. I don't know why. We've never joked about something like this, but she's pumped. She's actually exhausted, tired though. So we are going to bed. We're gonna sleep on this, and we have T-minus 67 days, 22 hours, and probably like 30 minutes now until we go to Miami to get on the Carnival Magic. We're so excited. The kids are excited.
Wait.
67 days, 22 hours, and 30 minutes.
Hey, down to a T.
We just looked at it. So make sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is gonna be Ledger, all of our kids' first cruise. Ledger's first cruise as a baby, Riker and Presley's first cruise as well. So we'll definitely be vlogging their experience, and it'll be up on our YouTube channel in 67 days, 22 hours, and 29 minutes.
And Ledger just turned 1.
He did. So this is gonna be such a fun trip. We'll see you guys on the next vlog. Bye.
Guys.